Hey guys, welcome back. It's Monday, May 4th. Hey, may the 4th be with you. And this is a video lesson for the groups Feed Me Pie and Divide and Conquer. This Thursday, you have a STEM Fair project due. Completed STEM Fair project due Thursday, May 7th. Now, because of that, I'm trying to make it so that you can give as much energy and focus to that STEM Fair project. You will not have any new IXL lessons due this week. And there also will not be a problem of the week due. Hopefully, you can use the time that you would spend for those to give it to your STEM Fair project so that you can turn in a stellar project. So let's get into it. Today, we are continuing to talk about equivalent expressions for a perimeter of a square. So we have a young lady, her name's Tanya. She plans to make a square deck. She represents the deck as a square, which each side is d plus 5 feet long. So this side is d plus 5, this side is d plus 5, this side is d plus 5, and this side is d plus 5. Now remember, we talked about perimeter before. Perimeter is the length around the outside of a shape. Okay, so we're trying to figure out the perimeter here. Now, one way that we can do this is we can just add. Okay, when you finding the perimeter of a square, you can just add 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1, okay, or whatever the value may be. So in this case, you could do d plus 5 would be one side, and then you could add it again, plus d plus 5. Yep. Whoa, that was a little wonky. Plus 5. Sorry, I'll try to get it a little bit better next time. Plus, there's 4 sides. That's right. D plus 5. And one more time, it's going to give us, that's right, D plus 5. Now, the reason why we're doing this is because it is showing us all 4 sides. Okay, I have D plus 5 plus D plus 5 plus D plus 5 plus D plus 5. Try saying that 4 times fast. Now, that's one way that we can write an expression for the perimeter of this deck. Now, another way that we could do it, I'm going to change my colors up. How about green? That would be fun. I could do D plus 5, but wait, instead, I can separate my variables and my constant terms. So I could do D plus D plus D plus D plus D. I could take all of the D's and add them together, and then take all of my 5s and add them together. 5, wow, that's bad, plus 5 plus 5 plus 5. Now, I am simply rearranging the values for each side. And what I did for this expression is I took all of my D's and put them together. There's 4 of them. And I took all of my plus 5s and put them together. And voila, I have another expression. But wait, there's one more way that you could write this expression. Another way that you could write this expression is there's 1, 2, 3, 4 sides. So I could have 4 times d plus 5. Now, not that one expression is better than another, but this would probably be the way that I would write the expression. I think it's the easiest way to write it, and probably makes the most sense for me. But you may be different. There are many different ways to write expressions. Now, how could you check to see if these expressions were all equivalent, which means equal? Well, what you could do is you could simplify them. So right here, I have 4 times d times 5. So what you have to do is the distributive property, where you take this 4 and you multiply it by all of the values inside the parentheses. And what I'm left with is 4d plus 4 times 5 would give you 20. So 4d plus 20. Now, I can simplify this one as well. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4d. And then on this side, I have 5 plus 5 is 10, plus 5 more is 15, plus 5 more is, it's 20, okay? So wait a minute. These two, when you simplify them, are equivalent or equal. Now, I can also do this one. I have 1, 2, 3, 4D. This is very similar to the one we just did. And then I have 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5, and that equals 4D plus 20. So as you can see, all three of these equations are equivalent or equal. So now you know. We have just written this plan for a squared deck 3 different ways using 3 different expressions, but all of them are equivalent. Now, it's your turn. I would like you to work hard. I'd like you to ask questions. I would like you to know that I am here to help you in any way that you need it. So please keep the lines of communication open, work hard, and I'll see you back here tomorrow.